In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. If you're new to Adobe or you're setting up a fresh account, I'll walk you through everything you need to know so it's quick and stress-free. Start by opening your web browser and heading directly to account.adobe.com. Typing the address yourself helps you avoid lookalike sites. You should see Adobe's sign-in page. Look for the padlock in your browser's address bar to confirm you're on the secure official site. On this page, you'll notice the sign-in fields front and center. Right beneath them, click the option that says Create an Account. This takes you to the sign up screen where you can choose how you want to register. You have two easy choices. The first is to use your email address. This is the classic route and keeps everything tied to a dedicated Adobe ID. The second is to sign up with a social account such as Google, Facebook, Apple, Microsoft, Line, or Kakao. If you pick one of these, Adobe will redirect you to your provider to confirm your identity and you'll approve a connection to share basic profile details. Choose whichever method you prefer. Both will get you to the same place. If you go with email, you'll see a short form. Enter your first and last name, your email address, a secure password, and your country or region. Make your password unique, avoid personal details, and consider using a password manager so you don't forget it. Selecting the correct country or region helps with language, billing, and regional services later. Review any on-screen notices, then continue. Next, Adobe will send a verification message to the email address you entered. Open your inbox and look for the email from Adobe. If it's not there within a minute or two, check your spam or junk folder just in case. Open the message and click the confirmation link to verify your email. This step activates your new Adobe ID. If the link ever appears to be expired, simply return to the sign-up page and request a new verification email. Once you've verified, head back to account.adobe.com. Now you can sign in with your new Adobe ID using the email and password you set. If you registered with a social account, just choose the same provider and authenticate as you normally do. After you're in, you'll land on your account dashboard where you can manage your profile and explore Adobe's services. Keep your credentials private and remember to sign out if you're on a shared computer. That's it, your Adobe account is ready to use.